In this video, I'll show you how to add chapters to YouTube videos. It's a sad but inevitable fact that a portion of the people who view your videos will leave at some point because they're not interested in it anymore. But perhaps there's a later segment of the video that they would be interested in. How would they know about that part? This is where chapter markers can come in to save the day. If you've been on YouTube for a while, then you've already seen these chapter markers in YouTube videos like this one. And if you're a YouTuber yourself, you are probably asking yourself, how do you add chapters like these on your videos as well as in your older videos? You can add chapters as you are uploading your video or when you're editing your existing video. Click on your YouTube icon on the top right and choose YouTube Studio. Go to Content and choose the video you want. Click on the pencil icon right here to edit your video's details. From here, you simply need to add the chapter markers in your description, and add the timestamp where the segment begins, add a space, and then add the title of the segment. It's important that the first timestamp is set to 0, and it is also important to do this the way I showed you exactly. Otherwise, it may not work, and the chapter won't appear in your video. Continue adding more until you've segmented all of the important bits, and once you're done, your new video should have chapter markers. The changes should be applied immediately, but if it doesn't, make sure you followed the format exactly. But if you still don't see it, YouTube says that it will be updated within the next 24 hours. There is also a way to add chapter markers automatically. Press the Create button and click on Upload Videos. Choose your video, and it should start uploading. Scroll down and click on Show More. Scroll down some more until you see Automatic Chapters. Click on this checkbox. And once you save, YouTube will automatically create chapter markers for your video. It's the same for your older videos. Go to YouTube Studio once again, go to Content and edit one of your videos by clicking on the pencil icon. Scroll down until you see Show More. Click on it and scroll down till you see the Automatic Chapters section. Click on this checkbox once again and hit Save and you're good to go. I should mention again that enabling this option allows YouTube to use its system to determine the best way to add chapter markers to your videos, and it usually does the trick. But the key word here is usually. Sometimes your videos may have clearly segmented parts, so it has no trouble picking out the best place to add chapter markers. Though sometimes your video won't have clearly defined chapters, so YouTube will try its best to estimate where to add chapter markers, so it may not be 100% accurate. And that's how you can add chapter markers in your YouTube videos. Keeping viewer interest in any part of your video is a vital part of keeping viewer retention up. Having good viewer retention gives the algorithm good signals, and that will make it recommend your video to more people, thus giving it more views. Another way to maintain interest in your video is to add sound effects as a pattern interrupt and keep viewers alert and their attention glued to your video. Click on the video on the screen to see where you can download more than 50 sound effects to use in your videos. Check it out.